Buffy, are you ready to go to the park? Hi. You trying to get... Whoa, hey, you ready? All right, Buffy. Yes? You want to go to the park with me? Yes? To the park, honey? Okay. Okay, let's go.
You ready to go out there? No, I don't wanna.
Look, come on. Come, look. Come look how cute it is out there. No? Okay. Are you eating all the ice? Gimme, huh? Does that taste good? Oh, where are you going? Where you going, brat? Oh, what have you found here, huh? Yeah, that's a smart girl. Here. Frisbees don't work out here. Maybe we'll go get your ball, huh? You want your ball? I'm gonna get you. Yeah. You're too fast. You're too fast. Sit. Oh. Buffy. Look at that little face. Look at that little face. Oh no! Oh no!